Well, I'm Ted Baker. Thanks for visiting my website. If everything worked out the way it's supposed to on this website, then right down here below me, you're going to see a lot of links which you can click on. This video right now is just basically a synopsis or an overview of what you can find in some of these links. Below me, you're going to see an opportunity to tour our home offices here in San Antonio. We're going to take you around and show you some of our facilities, let you meet a couple of the people. We're talking under the partnership agreement. I want to talk to you a little bit about what that means if you and I are doing business together and how seriously we take that. The next one is capitalism or communism. You know, there's a difference between those two things, and I'd like to talk to you about that and see how that plays within our business between you and I. Next is new equipment. We'll have a discussion there about what kind of equipment you should buy, why you should buy it, how it benefits you. Is it expensive? Is it cheap? Because, you know, the cheapest equipment in the world is not the one with the cheapest price tag. We'll talk more about that in that area. We also have consulting services, where if you're building a new restaurant, we can come in and talk to you about that, talk to you about the right pieces of equipment to buy, how to design a restaurant, something of that sort, if you want the input on that. Next, we'd like to talk to manufacturers. That's one of our titles there. And we'd like to talk to you about being your authorized representative to do authorized warranty service for you. So that area will be more of a discussion there in that regard. We'd also like to tell you, one of the points down below you see is technology. In this area, we're going to tell you how our technology within this company benefits you and how we can cause you to save money, make more money, increase your bottom line. Also, we have, you want to know, why should Restaurant Repair Company be your service agency? What's so good about us that you can't find other places? So you're going to find that under why should we be your service agency. We're going to talk also too about PM. What is preventative maintenance? A lot of people have different opinions as to what that is. I'd like to also have a discussion with you too about generic parts. Some people believe in them. Some people don't. We're going to go into that area and have a small discussion there. As an aside, something that isn't necessarily related to what you and I are discussing at this moment, we have a rather large fleet of trucks that are on the road every day, and 50% of our trucks are not running on gasoline. They're running on water or specifically on hydrogen fuel cells. So we have a little section there to talk to you about this if you have a fleet of vehicles or you're interested in that or you'd just like to talk about it some more. We could probably tell you, as is the case with us now, how we can reduce your gasoline costs for your vehicles by 50%. And probably the last thing that you see is something called a technician portal. This does not necessarily apply to you. It's an area where our service technicians click on and can get technical support over our website. And then, of course, somewhere within this video, you're going to find personal discussions between our office personnel. So that's about it. Go down here, down on the little links, and click on something, and let's see what you and I can talk about. That's it. Thanks.